Alright, so the next question involves us adding and multiplying mixed numbers. And again, as I always will, is I'll start by converting them into improper fractions. So 1 and 2/3, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5/3, plus that one's already a common fraction, so I leave that. The last one, 1 times 8 plus 7 is 15/8. Okay, and now order of operations becomes quite important, so I need to prioritize the multiplication, so I need to emphasize doing that part of the problem first. And multiplying fractions involves looking for opportunities to cross-cancel between numerators and denominators, or just cancel between numerators and denominators. So the 3 goes into itself once, and 3 goes into 15 5 times, 2 goes into itself once, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I've kind of simplified that as far as possible, so I can then write the next line out, 5/3 plus. And now when you finish multiplying these fractions, after you've cross-cancelled, you just got to times the numerator by numerator, so it's the 1 times the 5 in the numerator, so that's going to be 5, and the denominator is 1 and 4, so 1 times 4 is 4. And then now all we're left to do is add these two fractions. Adding, we need to look for the lowest common denominator, which is fairly straightforward. It's 12. So I'm going to be then just doing what I do to the top to the bottom to get it to 12 for both of them. And then I'll just write those in. So the first numerator is going to be 5 times 4, which is 20. Second one is going to be 15, and then I've run out of space. I'm just going to add those two numerators together. That's going to be 35/12. Try to simplify the fraction if possible, but there's no common factors between 12 and 35. But then it is also okay, and I know some of you might have done that, to also write the final answer as a mixed number, and that will be 2 3/4 if you simplify it. So those are both acceptable solutions.